Hey guys, I am going to be unboxing a battery that we've got. As you know, we live off grid, and the more battery banks we have, the better. So we just received this one, and I'm going to open it up. And first thing I like to do, or the first thing I'm going to do today, is I'm going to use my hot water kettle, and we're just going to test it right on out. To be honest with you, that's like probably one of the best tests that you can do. Okay, so this battery's heavy. You might want to pause and come and help me. VTOMAN. All right, this is what we got. 1800 watts. Jump 1800 watts. Looks pretty good. I'll open it up, see what this bad boy looks like. Got a little weight to it. Oh, look at that. Look at all the little stickers. They got good taste in stickers. Put that in our little collection. They love stickers. Awesome. Okay. Ooh. It's not official until take that off. Okay. Alright, so I would assume this is going to be the wire system. Cool. I like the pouch that goes with it. Okay. Let's look here. Where is the power button? Is it on the... When your battery gets to you and it's not at least, I would say, what, 70 or higher percent, like already has a battery charge, that's what you want. If a battery ever comes to you and it's like completely flat dead, that's never a good sign. You probably won't want that battery, unfortunately. Let's see, this one we're at 82. So we're gonna bust it wide open and just go ahead, plug that in. I've got my water already in there, and I think it's on, so there we go. Okay, so it's pulling pretty good power here to do this. Cool, not very much noise. Yeah, it's heating up. We use a battery system every morning to heat up our water for, making teas or coffees. So, and it's probably one of the most stress we ever put on a battery like this. So honestly, if a battery, when we get like this one, the VTOMAN, if it can't handle this, it's probably not the one for us. But we're doing good so far. So far, so good. Yeah. So I want to say right here, it's showing you it's got 1 hour with this wattage. And we're down to 80. Not too bad. We'll see how low it gets. I was planning on having this one in the for my guests that stay, so they can charge their phones or whatever they need to do, their laptops, whatever. But I think I might actually keep this one for myself, and then maybe hand me down my other batteries that I've had and give it to them. So I might keep this one for myself. It's definitely a little bit bigger, so I need more power. So let's see. All right, I feel like we could be getting close here. We're only at 77. Oh yeah, I see the steam coming out. Not bad. feel like this battery is handling the kettle like a G. Oh, done. Done. Wow. So sometimes the battery that I've been using, depending on how cold the water is before it gets in, if it's room temperature water when it gets in the kettle, it's easier for the battery to heat it up. Less stress on the battery, I assume, because the batteries that I have been using, it could tank it down from like 100 down to 50. And I mean, real quick, but it was a smaller battery that I was using. So now that I have a bigger battery, I'm thinking this is probably more efficient for the things that I would need to do in the morning. And it went from 80, what was it, 80 something to only 76. That's good. That means I have 76 left over to do whatever else I need. So I'm very happy. It got my water steaming hot and didn't take too much from it, and I'm happy. I'm happy. So, but I will be doing other videos to show you within like the next week or two how it has performed, and I will give you my honest opinion. But so far so good. All right, wanted to show you here. If you needed to jump your car, it has a attachment where you can put that in there. This is how you charge the battery right here from the panels. Done. It's got pretty good accessories here to use. Lots of USBs, the USB-C outputs, inputs, which is good. I don't know if we use, is that a cigarette lighter?
Yeah, 12 volt.
Yeah, cigarette lighter, 12 volt, and a couple of plugins down there. Also, I noticed there is a light on the back as well. So if you needed light, you could turn that on. Very nice. Super cool. Actually, my favorite part is that literally you could jump your car. Van lifers, this one. You can literally jump your car if need be. Unbelievable feature. I don't think I've seen that on any battery yet thus far, so this is the first one I've seen that on, so that's a really cool thing. But guys, yeah, I will have this linked below, and you can go check it out, read their website, and see if this is a battery that would fit your needs. And yeah, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, follow, whatever, and I shall see you on the next video.